It's Monday Night Bitcoin. Get ready, guys. We're going to check out all the hottest and latest Bitcoin news. We'll take a look at some Bitcoin charts, some cryptocurrency charts, and I might even give away $100 worth of Bitcoin. So stay tuned. Good evening, I'm Patrick Wieland, and tonight we'll be talking about Bitcoin here on Monday Night Bitcoin. What's going on, guys? So today, we're going to take a look at some charts, we're going to look at some news, and I think I might even give away $100 in Bitcoin. But you're actually going to have to watch the video to find out how to win. Don't just go ahead and click through. Watch the whole video first. So let's talk about what's hot in Bitcoin today. So recently, the India Prime Minister basically came out saying that India is pro-cryptocurrency or pro-disruptive currency. Something like that. I don't remember the exact quote, but they were basically pretty hyped on Bitcoin. So you think about it, India has billions of people. There's a lot of people in India. Seriously, a lot of people in India. And just imagine what cryptocurrency could do. Billions of people in India, not that much cryptocurrency, or there is, so you get the idea. If India likes Bitcoin, likes cryptocurrency, that's a good thing for the Bitcoin cryptocurrency market. Also, Bitcoin is up almost 100% since February 6th. February 6th, Bitcoin hit close to $6,000. It's up over $10,000 today. I talked about this in some of the other videos, how that $5,000 to $6,000 area was a key area. A lot of technical analysis was pointing towards that $5,000, $6,000 area as kind of where Bitcoin needed to touch before it can start moving higher. And it's been moving higher for the last couple of weeks. Citibank also announced that they are investing in a blockchain startup. Interesting, banks getting more and more into blockchain. Also, big news, the app Telegram raised over $850 million with their ICO. Are questioning what is really going to happen with all this money now that Telegram has it. We'll see. I'm not sure really where Telegram is going to go with all this money, but we'll see what happens. Big news out of Poland that the central bank in Poland paid YouTubers to make anti-Bitcoin videos. One of the YouTubers made a video where this young man made a bunch of money off Bitcoin and then lost all of his money. And that's kind of what the video was about. Interesting. Interesting that the Central Bank of Poland was paying people to make videos against Bitcoin. Very interesting. And more news from US government officials, Republicans, and Democrats talking about how Bitcoin cryptocurrency needs more regulation in terms of ICOs and things like that. They want to protect the consumer. So it's not a bad thing. I would be happy if they put a stop to ICOs. I'm really tired of ICOs. If I get one more email from an ICO trying to pay me money to promote their ICO, I might go crazy. But if you want to pay me a lot of money, you can email me right now. Email me right now. Send me $20,000. I will promote your ICO. That's on to the next thing. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. What is going on with Bitcoin? There's the Nope, wrong chart. So here it is, the Bitcoin chart. A key area. I've been talking about this area right here. Clear resistance kind of area that we're watching. Now, the one thing we got to worry about here is if Bitcoin can't break above this, we might sell off. And if you look at the daily chart, it's a little bit more obvious to see kind of what's going on here. But you can see this bounce. Look at this bounce from the $5,600 area, $5,800 area up here to $11,000. So massive move in Bitcoin recently. I talked about yesterday how a Bitcoin whale bought $400 million worth of Bitcoin here in the $8,000, $9,000 area, up there above $11,000. So overall, Bitcoin trying to break out of this downward trend, but we're not out of the woods just yet. If you see this trend, you see this channel, now we're looking good. I like this move here, but you can see we made a similar move back from $12,000 up there to almost $17,000, and then we started selling off. This could be a similar move. If we can't break over this $12,000 area, I might get worried. Now, we had this massive spike in volume back in December when we had this huge move. The volume really ramped up. And ever since then, we've just been kind of slowly selling off. Had this big dip here. But through most of this move here, really from this end of December till now, we've had a pretty consistent volume there. We had this spike in volume on this dip here. People stepping up there and buying. But really, we haven't seen volume like this since back in October. So we're getting more volume here on Bitcoins. We want to see that volume to confirm that we are kind of returning to that bullish momentum. Breaking over $12,000 area is going to be a key kind of level for us to break. We need people to really understand that the bulls are back in town. If we can't break above 12,000, we could sell off pretty quickly here because I think people are going to be taking profit from this move from the $6,000 area. People that are like, hey, if we can't break 12,000, because I don't want to get stuck in this dip here. This $12,000 area can't break. Maybe we find some support. Maybe we build like a new low here at the $8,000, $9,000 area. That would be best case scenario. We can't hold there. Like I said, that $5,000, $6,000 area is going to be the next area to watch there. So keep an eye on the Bitcoin chart. No matter what chart you're trading, no matter what coin you're trading or buying, really look for opportunity by looking at the Bitcoin chart. Another big mover recently has been Litecoin. With the news of LitePay, with the new fork coming out, all this stuff happening, really fueling this rally on Litecoin. You can see this move from $150 area up there to $230, $240 area. Litecoin making a massive move today. Also, Litecoin Cash splitting or forking, whatever you want to call it off. I think the price on I think the price got up to like almost $10 earlier. I haven't looked at it since then, but Litecoin Cash has been doing some stuff interesting. I'm not sure how it's going to really work in general. Litecoin Cash, I don't know, it doesn't really work for me. It doesn't really sound right. So you want to win $100 worth of Bitcoin. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to enter to win $100 worth of Bitcoin. Digibyte, Digibyte, Digibyte. I know you guys love hearing me talk about Digibyte, but right now, Digibyte's looking pretty strong in terms of the trend. Now, this is the 5-minute chart. And you can see recently, Digibyte, you can't really see because my head's in the way, but if I zoom out here, you can see Digibyte got down there to the 2-cent area, and since then, it's up over 100%. It almost got up there to the 5-cent area. It got really close. It was 4.9 right there. So it was almost up over 100% in the last couple of days, the last week or so. Digibyte making a move from that 2-cent area. Overall, kind of the same chart. You know, it's not really much to talk about other than Digibyte versus Bitcoin and Bitcoin. It's all kind of the same thing right now. Looking good on the trend overall right now. Hopefully we can get back up to that 7-cent area soon. I would be happy to see that. I would love to get to the 10-cent area very soon after that, because I know some of you guys had bought in there at the 10-cent area after watching some of my videos, and I would love for Digibyte to get back to that 10-cent area in general, just so everybody can stop sending me death threats for telling them to buy Digibyte when then it crashed. But it wasn't my fault, guys. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, everything in general just crashed. So it's not like it was a Digibyte issue. This wasn't like, oh, Digibyte's going to zero. It was really just, you know, it had an all-time high up there to the 15, 14-cent area. And then after that, it was the end of cryptocurrency for a while. So basically January till February, cryptocurrency has just been crashing. And it's not just been Digibyte alone. It's been everything. You can see every single chart looks pretty much the same. Another chart to keep an eye on is Ethereum. Ethereum has been weathering the storm a little bit better than other cryptocurrencies in the market right now. Not really dipping as much, still up over that $700 area that it was back in December. So Ethereum made an all-time high back in December, similar to Bitcoin's all-time high, but then in January started to really go crazy and almost went up another 100% from that $700 area. And then since then, it's had some major pullbacks, but overall, Ethereum looking pretty bullish right here. I'm definitely keeping an eye on Ethereum. I bought a little bit. I might be buying some more if we get some more dips. But long term, it sounds like there's a lot of action going on with Ethereum. They announced the other day they're going to start a development fund so they can start working on more development with Ethereum. It's always interesting to see kind of what goes on different blockchains and keep an eye on everything. And Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Digibyte are definitely some of the main cryptocurrencies that I'm watching always, looking for an opportunity to buy, looking for an opportunity to sell. But right now, I think we're in a good place where I want to be buying the dips here. If we get any more major sell-offs, I'll be buying some more of everything. Long term, if I can buy more Bitcoin lower, I'll buy more Bitcoin lower. If I can buy more Digibyte lower, I'll buy more Digibyte lower. Because by the end of 2018, we should be much higher than where we are right now. But is that to say that we won't have some dips along the way? Obviously, we're going to have some dips. It's going to be part of it. It's a roller coaster ride, guys. Remember, this is not a buy today, sell tomorrow kind of thing. Some of these coins, you really got to look for opportunity, look for a good dip, and then hold. And that's kind of what we're doing. That's what my plan is. So hopefully you guys are doing kind of the same thing. Hopefully you're not trying to buy today and sell tomorrow, because some of these coins just aren't really moving like they used to. You know, we used to have some big major moves, but the market's just not been as strong as last year, end of last year, and we got to get used to that for a little bit. Now, is that to say that we won't be much higher by December? No, but in general, I'm kind of looking more long-term on anything that I'm buying in the cryptocurrency space right now. A couple things moving around, but in general, I'm looking for opportunity where there's selling, where there's selling pressure. You know, if Bitcoin drops 20-30% tomorrow, I'll be buying more. If Bitcoin drops 50%, I'll be buying more. If it gets down to $3,000 area, I'll be buying a lot of Bitcoin. As much as I would As much as I would love for that to happen, I don't really think that I need that in my life right now for Bitcoin to drop to 3,000, but I would be pretty happy to buy some more Bitcoin at the $3,000 area. So there it is, kind of looking at different charts, looking at the Bitcoin chart, looking at that Ethereum chart, Litecoin, Digibyte, and all of our fun little friends here. We're going to be back next Monday, so don't worry. It's not going anywhere. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's here to stay, and I'm looking forward to the rest of 2018. Every single Monday night, tune in for Monday Night Bitcoin. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, yeah. So you want to win $100 worth of Bitcoin. Do me one big favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below. And tell me, what do you think about Bitcoin? Where do you think Bitcoin's going to end up by the end of 2018? And I'll pick a winner. Leave your Bitcoin wallet address and all that fun stuff. I'll pick a winner in the next couple days. Now, long term, what do you think the price of Bitcoin is going to be? And I'll pick a winner in the next couple days, and I'll send you $100 worth of Bitcoin. So I'll talk to you guys later on.